Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn a combination of sgraffito and slip decoration together and see how we can create simple but creative designs using these techniques. Welcome to this tutorial. First of all, choose the clay you like and feel comfortable working with. In this video, I'm using white ceramic clay. It's very soft, and for me, it's always the best choice for this graffito technique. I'm using the slab technique, and I start by making a very simple slab. Once the slab is ready, as you can see in the video, I freely and intuitively cut a geometric shape out of it. This shape will become the overall form of my plate. After that, I clean up the edges and refine the shape. When everything looks neat, I set it aside to rest for about 1 day or even just 1 or 2 hours. Once the clay has rested, I use a stencil made from paper and cut into a circular shape. I place it on the plate in any position I like. After that, I start applying the slip. I'm using a brown colored slip that I prepared earlier, and I'll share the exact formula with you. For this slip, I used 70% brown clay and 30% transparent glaze. Once the slip is applied, I begin carving lines into the surface using the Sgraffito technique, carefully removing parts of the slip to reveal the clay underneath. Once this stage is finished, I let the plate dry completely so the clay can fully set and become ready for firing. After the firing is done, I apply a transparent glaze over the surface to give the piece a smooth, glossy finish. Thank you so much for staying with me until this part of the video. If you'd like to support my work, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.